Hey video game fans, what is up? It is I, FGF Chris, and I have booted up my Raspberry Pi 3 Model B for my television. And basically this small ass system is an emulation system that you can play ROMs of your favorite video games that came out in the 80s and the 90s, like the NES, Super NES, the Game Boy, all of that. And I am proud to say that I downloaded a lot, well, I put a lot of ROMs on this. It's pretty damn awesome. Now, I advise you to pick up the actual physical copy of the game. It's more legitimate that way. But you gotta love the sheer amount of variety that this system has. So I put on certain ROMs from the Game Boy Color, the Nintendo, the original Nintendo, the NES, the Neo Geo Pocket Color, and the Super Nintendo. It's pretty damn awesome. There's Yoshi's Island. Pretty fun. You even got Super Mario RPG. I love the Mario games. Got Gals Fighters. So anyway, I want to show you some gameplay of the system. But real quick, I want to show you around. The theme I have, this layout, is custom made. I didn't make it, but you could actually change the theme to 90 some different settings, which is pretty cool. You get like a synthwave one like this. This is the synthwave theme. I like it because it looks very cyberpunkish. And yeah, you gotta love the themes in this. And yeah, you could get like steampunk, you could get like comic book, you can get Game of Thrones theme, which is pretty awesome. So we'll play some Gals Fighters. I love this game. It's really addictive, by SNK for the Neo Geo Pocket Color. Now I physically own this game, so it's pretty legit. I love Gals Fighters. Alright, so let's see here. Queen of Fighters mode, why not? You know, we're going to use Miss X just for the heck of it. Basically, Yorigami in a drag costume. He's cross-playing. No, we don't need items. We're too good for this. Oh, you'll knock me out, share me. Alright, whatever. I'll kick your butt. You know, sorry to interrupt your phone call, Miss Busybody. You gotta love it. Like, the graphics looks really superb on this system. Okay. Aha! Time to die, share me. You suck. Oh, crap. Goddamn. Ah! You and your slaps. I hate it. You need to work on that, kid. Slam me to the ground. As I laugh like a maniac. Is that Halmaru in the background? Oh, and Chin and Halmaru are in the background. And Chang! Holy crap, I never noticed that. Gotta love the cameos. Fun for everyone. Oh crap. Ah, get back here, Sherm. There you go. Laugh like a maniac again. Remember me next time you see the moon, biatch. Alright, so that's Gals Fighters. Let's see what else we got. I literally have 3,000 games on the system, which is a really impressive selection. Let's play some Super Nintendo. Let's go to, let's see here. Let's go to Illusion of Gaia. Why not? This game was really addictive back in the day, back in 1994 when I had my Super Nintendo and stuff. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, I have like 3,000 games on this system. I went bonkers, but you know, they're such small file sizes. You can store it on easily and not worry about lagging or anything, which is really handy. Alright. Start button. Let's do this. Start journey. Exactly. Alright. Go to Diary 3. Why not? Hey Gaia, what's up, yo? Mr. Demon Head. This is a really fun alternative than playing Legend of Zelda. To playing Legend of Zelda. So, pretty awesome stuff. Real fun time. I go into the Incan village. Let's see. Where do I go? It's been a long time since I've played this. Well, I picked it up a few days ago and beat the first 2 stages. Okay. Yeah, you told me your stuff. Alright, cool. What other games are fun? Fun for everyone. Love my fighting games, that's for sure. Let's see, Nintendo. What do we got on Nintendo? I have a lot of like modded games too on this, so it's pretty bonkers. Oh my god. Let's see here. Oh my god, look at this variety. Holy shit. It's pretty cool. You know, just for the heck of it, we'll do Super Mario. Oh my god, we're almost at S, alright. Alright, Super Mario 3. Super Mario Duck Hunt, there we go. Yeah, I remember that. That was like the very first Mario game I got. It's pretty cool. I don't know which one is... God, there's so many freaking Mario 3s. Let's see here. Why not? Let's try this out. Hopefully this is a legit copy and not a bullshit mod. There's a lot of modded games in this. Yay, Mario 3! 1 player? Sign me up for that shit. Okay, watch me die real quick because I suck at Mario. Yeah. Oh, you gotta love the music. Aha! Dodge a fireball. Let's do this. Okay. Come here, you stupid red-ass turtle. Oh, whoa, that didn't break? I fucking call shenanigans. Ah, man, I can't get my wings now. What the hell? Oh! Mario got sick of life because he couldn't get his wings. So that's Mario. It's kind of lame. Yeah, we got like Final Fantasy, a lot of stuff. Mega Man X. Oh man, Mega Man 7 was cool. I like that. And yeah, we got like Street Fighter. Let's do Street Fighter. Why not? Let's monkey around with that. Street Fighter Turbo, bitch. That's how we do it. Licensed by Nintendo. I like the intro where the blonde-haired ass fuck like punches the guy in the face. Oh, it's not in this version. All right, whatever. This is hyper fighting. Okay, this is where you can make the game go really fast. In fact, just for the hell of it, let's turn the turbo up. Let's make it like the highest it goes. There we go. Game start. We're gonna use Chunners. Chunners is awesome. Alright, let's fight in Mother Russia. Gray Thunder Thighs is gonna kick your blue tanned ass. Oh fuck. Oh my god, it's really fast. Oh shit. Fuck you, little shit. Crap. Do your thing. Here, there we go. There's a spin bird kick I know and love. Come on, Zangief. Oh, you little fuck! Oh, you dickhead. It's like, I'm gonna throw you over my head like a prick. Alright, Zangief, whatever. Round 2, let's do it. She doesn't have her fireball, what the hell? Dear Hadouken. God damn. Okay, enough of this. Yay, Spinbird kick! Chunners has a chance, guys. She's doing alright. Alright, round 3, let's make this count. I should be really using the lightning kicks. There we go. Come on, get away from the fence, you asshole. I want to see what I'm doing. Come on. Come on. This is gonna spin bird kick your ass. Oh, fuck you, you little shit. Ha-ha! There. Panty shots, bitch. You wanna bow in respect. Cool. I'm the strongest woman in the world. Damn straight. Next to my Shiranui, I mean. Alright. So now, I'm not gonna fight Dalzim. Screw Dalzim and this stupid crap. And then we got, yeah, we got like, Baseball Stars, Neo Geo Pocket Color. Oh my god. Forgot how many awesome games are out on this. Metal Slug. Just for the heck of it. Oh, it's in Japanese. Yeah, they have the Japanese version and the English version on this system. Well, what I put on the system. Every game has a different language, but I do have English copies for every single game, so that I'm covered there. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna fight people with my guns. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Look at this. Look at this ultra-violence, like, 12-bit graphics. I don't know, it looks more like 8-bit graphics. Yeah, I got a heavy machine gun, sweet. Alright. Take down the helicopters. I got this. Got this cat in the bag. Alright. Oh, fuck you, little shit. You're a teddy bear. Cool, I got a teddy bear. And I rescued a guy that gave me a weapon or some jazz. There we go. Yeah, jump, why don't you? Okay. Fuck you. I'm like shooting a tank at like close range. 0 range there. Take my gun. Oh, fuck you, little shit. Ah! I don't want to be in that. Come on, die, you stupid fucking tank. Yay, now I get in a tank. I get in the metal slugs. Slugging it up. See, everything runs real smooth with the system. Totally dig it. Alright. Yeah, I got a radio. And I got my metal slug tank. Hey, I got a snake. I'm gonna eat it later, like, you know, Solid Snake from the Metal Gear series. Hey, it has metal in the title. Metal Slug, Metal Gear, Oh, fuck you. God damn. Stupid blue soldiers. Okay. Yeah, I forgot how long the first stage is. It's pretty. It's got a lot of oomph to it. All right. Wow, I'm already. I just got out of the Just got out of the tank. Now I'm in the plane. Pretty cool. Love it. Love this game. Well, anyway, that's a look at the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look at the synthwave graphics. It's pretty cool stuff. Later. Peace out.